Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by inserting the image and committing to the exact area you will edit. Open Insert Pictures and pick the file. Once placed, click Format and enter size values to scale precisely, lock aspect ratio to avoid distortion. Make sure to align using Arrange Align and Snap to Grid so placement is consistent across slides. If you plan multiple edits, duplicate the slide as a safe working copy. That way you can always revert without losing your original. Now you focus on the detailed edits. Select corrections and color to tweak exposure, contrast, and white balance so the subject pops. Next, use Remove Background and refine edges with mark areas to keep or remove. This reduces stray artifacts. Once isolated, use Crop or Crop to shape to reframe, then add artistic effects or transparency to match presentation style. Make incremental changes and preview at slide size, so you judge how compression and projector output will affect the final look. Finish by grouping related elements and applying consistent styles. Use Format Painter to copy adjustments to other images. When ready, export the image with Save as Picture or export the slide as PNG/JPEG and choose higher resolution for print or screens. If you see banding or blurry detail, make sure PowerPoint compression is off in File Options Advanced. If artifacts persist, reopen the original file and redo edits at full resolution. That solves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.